Today I'm going to share with you my lesson 2 learning insights that I glimpsed from Grandmaster Douglas Chan. A quick recap that he usually help us with at the start of every lesson, brought us back to talk about the macro aspect, where we talk about the heaven, earth, man, and human itself actually reference the space and time, and all in all, practicing 奇门遁甲 is really about helping us to do the right thing at the right time, finding the right energy to get the best outcome. Yeah, so I think there is actually a strong focus that we need to highlight, is that there is actually this law of effect. Effect can be good, can be bad, and these reminders must always be in us who want to be practitioner of the skill, that whatever it is, do good, use the tool in a good way. Yeah, so lesson 2, Grandmaster Douglas Chan actually brought us through the details to unfold what the 8 trigrams means. And 8 trigrams, every box per se, or every palace itself, actually represent one big environment we are in, the space that we are in when we actually want to do forecasting, or when we want to ask a certain question. Yeah, I think what is exciting is Grandmaster actually make our life very easy to do prediction. He introduced us to this app called entails that will help us to generate the chart in less than a minute. So I think it really make life easier. Imagine 5,000 years ago when there's no this kind of technology, this kind of app. I can't imagine how much time they use to actually want to plot a chart to do forecasting. You see, so there's a lot of practices in every lesson itself, where masters will bring us through how to interpret the chart, layer by layer. Yeah, so from what each palaces mean and which Chinese character means when they are put together. And if you are looking at certain aspect, like for example relationship, then we'll look at Liu Ke. If you are looking at answers, which are the hour stamp that we have to look at, and go and locate this Chinese character within the palace and where it resides. And you are the person who asks the questions, then look at the day stamp, that will represent the asker energy. And master actually very patiently guide us through to look at how to interpret this interaction between these two, and actually look at how these two, whether their elements are going to be clashing, they are going to be producing, and what does all these actually mean, you see. Well, if you want to find out more, once again, go to my blog. I have more details for you. I hope that will excite you to look out for my learning from lesson 3 and subsequently as well. Till then, see ya!